What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning Come On Up to the House, but the single version that Morello did, and we're going to do the solo as well in this class. So, it's in the key of F, but so we're playing it with the E chords with the capo on the first fret. So, this E is actually F. I'll just quickly play the intro for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm making up stuff there, but you get the idea of how the song is going to go. It's going to use your chords in the key of E. I have videos on that, but I'll quickly just go through the chords here. E, C sharp minor, it's at the 4th fret. Same shape with these two fingers, but just down one string, and this finger goes on the 4th fret. And then A, we're going to use the A2, and then E. And then sometimes we're going to use a B, which is at the 7th fret. It looks a lot like the E, you just add this finger. Okay, and then we're also going to use a 3 chord, G sharp minor, which if you take this shape, move it up to the 5th fret, and make it a minor. Well, there's a lot of things you have to change, but anyway, these two fingers are on the 5th fret, and this one on the 4th. Oh, wait, these two are on the, let's see, 6, and this one is on the 4. You can play it just like that, but I like to put my thumb here for the bass note. So, come up to the house. So you get the idea. Let me just quickly open up this, and I'm going to make it so I can hear, so you guys can hear the song. So let's just play through the song quickly. Oh, so the intro, sorry. The intro is basically E, B. Okay, and that progression you're going to see being repeated in a lot of the song. Okay, let's play along with this now. So you'll see sometimes I'm playing the B up over there to the house. Mute the top string. Okay. Same as intro. So sometimes, okay, so that's it for the whole song basically, and then we get to the solo somewhere around the middle. Let's quickly see. So we're gonna break down the solo now. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. So there's a first lick going into the F note. Okay, so doom da doom da, doom da doom da. And you got to slide there onto third. Basically, it's in the major pentatonic scale. Okay, so that's what we got there. So here it comes. Wait, let's hear this. This is a tricky little riff. Okay. Okay, that's what that is. Oh, that's really nice. Going back into the root. Staying with the pentatonic scale, so let's. So this is an interesting pattern. This is like a descending thirds, 6 triplets. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the minor pentatonic scale. So you're going back 3 and then going back up 1. And then da 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 da. I think that's how far they do it. It's quite interesting. Very common country type lick, so. Something like that. Let's quickly see. There we go. Nice, that felt pretty good to do that. That was a nice one. The first part though is different. Something like that, but anyway. I did everything in the video, so you guys can rewind to get that exact riff. Have a nice day, guys. Enjoy playing this awesome song. It's a traditional song by Tom Waits, I think, is the guy, and it's really nice. I love it. Bye.